Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all are you happy and well, so enjoyable. Seashell are naturally shaped sources. Each shell has a unique shape, texture, and color, and with that clarity, they can turn into beautiful home decoration and crafts. Today, let's explore some amazing seashell crafts ideas that are simple, fun, and elegant. The first idea is the seashell mirror frame. Take a plain mirror and glue different shells around the border. You can mix big and small shells for each coaster look. The second idea is seashell candle holders. Use a glass jar or small bowl. Decorate the outside with shell and place a candle inside. When the candle burns, the light reflects beautifully against the shell. The third area is seashell window charm. Shells with stitch and hang them from a wooden stick or ring. The shell make a soft clanging sound when the window moves, giving your home a relaxing seaside feeling. The fourth idea is seashell photo frame. Decorate a simple wooden or cardboard frame with seashells. This makes a perfect handmade gift for beach lovers. The fifth gift idea is a seashell wall art range. Shell in shapes like a heart, starfish, or even letters for your name. Glue them into canvas or wood for a unique wall decoration. The seaside is a seashell coaster entry. The seashells inside model glass tray or made triple in stylish coaster. The seventh idea is a seashell jewelry necklace, bracelets, earrings using small shells and beads or colorful threads for trendy bob style. The idea is seashell planter. Decorate plant pot with shells around the side or use large shells as mini planter. The ninth idea